before I put this back in, I'm just going to look at these terminals in this plug, because they seem to be, to me, they look a bit loose. They didn't feel very tight when I pulled the plug out. So I'm going to get a screwdriver in the back of them. There's a spring side, there's a sprung side and a flat side. Get your screwdriver in the flat side. Just tighten them up, bend that bottom face up towards the sprung side. And it could be that that was all it was anyway, so I'll be a prize chump for taking the whole thing to pieces. I'm just going to plug that in now. I feel a bit tighter now. I'm going to see if it'll work. I'm just going to hold that there, make sure it's not going to catch anything. Off, on. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, maybe it was that plug at the beginning. So the motto of my video would be, check this plug, pull it off. If it's loose, get your screwdriver in there, in the back side of it there. And just tension those up, because it could well be that's all it is. I don't know. I mean, I cleaned the commutator and the brushes anyway. It's not a bad idea. And then I checked my resistor as well. So we'll see. Hopefully that's it. But anyway, if your brushes are shot, at least you'll know how to do that. So that's gone back in there nicely. And the plug goes in under the bottom. Under the bottom, as they say. And it feels a bit tighter going in there now. But I've greased the motor bearings, done a service on the motor, cleaned the commutator, checked the brushes and all that stuff. So it's all a lot better now, and I've retensioned the terminals. Oops, sorry, you've fallen down. I've retensioned the terminals on the resistor pack as well. So there you go, that's basically it. And even though that says Freelander 00, it's not, it's a 2002 Freelander I'm working on, but it appears that that is the second time it's had a heater motor. It's not as rusty as it looks. That's red oxide paint in those holes. So that's that. Hope it wasn't too boring, and sorry about the camera work. See you again soon.